Imagine the smell of fresh basil, the tang of rosemary, or the zing of mint wafting through your kitchen. Sounds delightful, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Welcome to the world of homegrown herb plants, where your kitchen windowsill transforms into a mini garden. Growing your own herbs isn't just about adding a dash of freshness to your meals, it's a sensory delight that fills your home with aromatic fragrances. Plus, it's incredibly convenient. Need a sprig of parsley or a handful of oregano? Just reach over and snip away. So, are you ready to start your herb garden right in your kitchen? Let's dive into the world of herbs. First off, we have basil, rightfully known as the king of herbs. This royal herb is not just easy to grow at home but also packs a punch in flavor and aroma. Basil thrives in a warm environment and requires good drainage and ample spacing for optimal growth. It's a sun-loving plant, so make sure it gets plenty of light and keep it at a consistent temperature for best results. But the real magic of basil lies in its versatility. It's not just a plant, it's an ingredient that can transform a simple dish into a gourmet delight. From pesto to pizza, basil brings a fresh, peppery flavor that's hard to beat. And let's not forget the intoxicating aroma. Just a whiff of its fresh leaves can transport you to an Italian countryside, making it a sensory delight in your kitchen. Basil isn't just a herb, it's a magical addition to your kitchen that brings life to your dishes. Up next we have rosemary, the herb that's as aromatic as it is flavorful. A Mediterranean native, rosemary thrives in sunny environments. If you're planning to grow this aromatic wonder at home, find a window that receives plenty of sunlight. Rosemary has a few unique care requirements. For starters, it prefers well-drained soil, so overwatering is a definite no-no. It's a bit like that friend who enjoys their personal space. Too much attention and it might just wither away. Ensure the plant gets 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily, and keep the indoor temperature consistent, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. A south-facing window would be perfect in the winter, while a west-facing one can do the job in other seasons. Rosemary is not just a plant, it's an experience. Its fragrant leaves can infuse a room with a fresh, calming scent. And when it comes to the kitchen, it's a game changer. Whether it's a roast, a soup or a pasta dish, a sprig of rosemary can elevate it to new heights. With rosemary in your kitchen, every dish becomes a culinary masterpiece. Next in line is mint, the refreshing powerhouse that elevates any dish or drink. This fragrant herb is more than just a garnish. It's a dynamic player in the culinary world, and you can grow it right at home. Mint thrives in the indoor environment, and doesn't need much beyond good humidity control. Got a sunny window? That's where your mint plant will be happiest. It's a bit like that friend who always finds the sunniest spot at the park. And just like that friend, mint is a resilient plant. It can bounce back from a little neglect, making it a great choice for those of us who might occasionally forget to water our plants. But don't let this resilience fool you. Mint has a delicate side too. It loves a good misting, so keep a spray bottle handy. And remember, good drainage is key. Mint doesn't like its roots to be too wet, so why not bring this refreshing powerhouse into your home? It's not just about its cool, invigorating taste. With mint in your kitchen, you have an instant flavor enhancer for your dishes, a natural breath freshener, and a soothing ingredient for your homemade beauty treatments. Mint isn't just a herb, it's a refreshing addition to your kitchen that can jazz up your mojitos or freshen up your salads. Our herb journey doesn't stop here. There are numerous other herbs waiting to adorn your kitchen. Catnip, for instance, is more than just a feline favorite. It's a calming herb often used in teas. Chives, on the other hand, are perfect for adding a mild, onion-like flavor to your dishes. If you're looking for a pop of freshness, lemon balm is your go-to herb. It's excellent in teas, salads, and even desserts. Now, let's spice things up with oregano, a staple in Italian cuisine. Its robust flavor can transform any pizza or pasta dish. Parsley, too, is a versatile herb. It not only adds a fresh taste to meals but also packs a nutritional punch. Moving on, sage with its earthy flavor is a must-have for stuffing and poultry dishes. If you're into refreshing beverages, spearmint leaves make an excellent addition to your lemonades and mojitos. Thyme, with its subtle, dry aroma, pairs well with almost everything, from roasted meats to stews. Bay laurel is another fantastic herb. Its leaves are used to infuse soups, stews, and sauces with a subtle, savory flavor. Lemongrass, with its unique citrusy notes, is a favorite in many Asian dishes. Marjoram, often confused with oregano, has a sweeter, more delicate flavor and is great in soups, sauces, and salads. Last but not least, there's cilantro. A somewhat polarizing herb, cilantro is loved for its fresh, citrusy flavor by some, while others find it soapy. But there's no denying its integral role in Mexican and Asian cuisines. As you can see, the world of herbs is rich and diverse, and there's an herb for every palate and every dish. And there you have it, a journey through the world of herbs, right in your kitchen. We've ventured from the regal basil to the aromatic rosemary, and onto the refreshing mint, among others. The beauty of having these herbs at your fingertips is the year-round access, the tantalizing fragrances, and the convenience they bring to your culinary exploits. So why not give it a go? Grow your favorite herbs at home and reap the benefits. Have you tried growing herbs at home? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy herb gardening!